Tesla Hardware 4 Vehicle Teardown reveals radar module. Tesla Hardware 4 HW4 is the company's newest computer that will help the automaker work toward a more successful self-driving effort. It contains more ports for cameras and was supposed to be one of the first steps toward vision-only self-driving. However, early dissections of HW4 showed there was room for radar. And a vehicle taken apart by well-known Tesla hacker Green only shows radar is still present in the new vehicles. The vehicle equipped with HW4 that Green was able to take apart is a Model X. One of the first pictures was a radar unit from the vehicle, which was evidently supposed to not be present based on what the company had detailed for the HW4 and its long-term plans over the past 2 years. Radar was always looked at as a crutch by Tesla and CEO Elon Musk, who said during the Q1 2021 earnings call, "When your vision works, it works better than the best human because it's like having 8 cameras. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, beside your head, and has 3 eyes of different focal distances looking forward. This is processing it at a speed that is superhuman. There's no question in my mind that with a pure vision solution, we can make a car that is dramatically safer than the average person." Tesla rolled out Tesla Vision in the Model 3 and Model Y in 2021 and the Model S and Model X later. Phoenix radar was discovered by Green during the initial images of HW4 that he acquired earlier this year. This new 4-dimensional radar would help extend current reach by double. Radar and radar heaters were both spotted in HW4 vehicle coding. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.